Okay, so Gumam, let's start our lecture. So, introduction to emerging technologies. So, what are we going to learn in this lecture? We will first explain. First, we will get to know what are emerging technologies. Okay, then we are going to explain the benefits of using digital tools. We are going to learn about digital tools as well. What are digital tools? Then evolution of social media, its collaboration, project management, leadership and technologies, digital technology, and benefits of technology on a range of industries. This is our course outline. Beta, this course is actually theoretical course. We are going to learn about different strategies, different tools, and how digital media can be used and accessed. Okay. So first, we are going to learn about digital tool. What is a digital tool? They are actually programs, websites, or online resources that can make tasks easier to complete. Okay, the digital tool are program, websites, or any online resources. What are your online resources?
Online resources like online websites which you can
Very
use
good, very good.
for
They are online websites.
converting currencies,
Yes, yes,
converting time,
yes.
or we can use as calculator as well, which
Uh-huh,
is
very
online.
good. Right, right. We are going, we were discussing about digital tool. Okay, digital tool, very good. Digital tool can be any programs, any website, or any online resource. For example, Facebook, for example, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, they are digital tools. Tools characterized by electronic or specially computerized technologies. Electronic devices that may or may not be portable, including computer, laptop, tablet, clickers, smartboards, and projectors. All are digital tool. Digital tool can be anything which can help you to connect and socialize. Okay. They can be your mobile phone, your notepads, your Mac notebooks, your computer systems, your any websites, your any interface. Okay.
Miss, what are clickers?
Okay, what are you
Yes, I
asking?
was asking what are clickers?
Okay, what are clickers? Okay, but clickers are actually smart programs. They are most of the time you get, the type of questions appears on your screen, and they just want yes or no. For example, if you use Uber, you get, do you want to give 5 star to a captain? Had you ever used Uber?
Yes, yes, I did. Yes.
So after the ride, it asks you, do you want to give 5 star or 2 star or 3 star to any captain?
Yeah.
Is it so that this is a clicker? The clickers are just the responsive messages. They get the answer or output in just a click. That is why they are called clickers.
They're
Smart
used
voice
on
recognition. A
Google
program,
Forms as well.
yes, or any other software available on digital device, iPad, laptop, smartphone, including those that are language, audio, or visual based. Any digital interactive uh, app or device is called a digital tool. Okay. What are benefits of digital tool? Oh, Zoom is a digital tool as well. Is it so?
Yes, it is.
So what does Zoom, for example, digital Zoom is a digital app, same as Facebook. How can it help it? It can 24 hours resource. Okay. The technology never sleeps. Okay, it's a tracked process. Okay, we can see whatever is happening, whatever is going on. Familiarity with technology. Okay, whenever you use digital tool, you get familiar with technology. Okay. Okay, written language skills. It helps you to write the language skills. Have you write email on Gmail or any other email browser?
Yes.
Do you see how it corrects your mistakes?
Yes, autocorrection, spellings,
Yes, yes.
space,
So
commas.
it helps you to improve your language skills. Information storage, it can store your information. For example, we are taking class on Zoom and I can record it. Okay. So your information can be stored. Or for example, you have pictures of your convocation or pictures of your event, you can store it anywhere on your devices, digital tools. Communication speed, okay, the communication is very very fast. Okay, maybe we both live miles, hundred and thousands of miles apart, but we are communicate you can see our communication is very fast. I'm talking here and you are listening at the other end. This was not possible without digital tools. Flexible choices, okay, you have choices, you can choose from anyone, you have many choices, okay. For example, taking a class, we have different choices. We can take it on Zoom, on WhatsApp, on Microsoft Teams, or any other digital tool. Are you getting me, Gumam?
Yes.
Okay. Third is self-directed study. Said, okay, sometimes you don't have to hire a teacher. The internet is full of information. You can get the help from to study. Can you give me any example?
Wikipedia.
Yes, Wikipedia. Very good, very good. Wikipedia.
Then
Other is
nowadays we
learning
have
opportunity.
Google itself.
Very good. Learn we okay. We get very good learning opportunity. Okay, we can learn different languages. For example, you are living in some place of the world, you can learn other languages. You can learn other arts by YouTube or any other channels. Is it so? Have you ever
Yeah,
learned
that's
anything
correct.
from internet, from YouTube?
Yes, I've learned languages like I can
Okay,
speak
very good, very
Bangla,
good.
Arabic.
Mashallah, very good. So see, this is
These
an
are my
example as
subjects.
well. Social connectivity. You can connect with people socially. On Facebook, you may have hundreds and thousands of friends, and you are socially connected. You may have not seen each other for ages, but you are socially connected. You can see their pictures, you can like and comment on their pictures. Automation, okay, this is an important tool, or the automation. Recorded lectures, very good. And now, Gumam, please you give me an example or any benefit of digital tool.
Mm,
What is any benefit came to your mind?
like we
Something.
can
Mm-hmm.
design,
Good. Sorry.
edit
Very good.
videos
Very good. Very good. Very good.
like anytime, anywhere we want to.
Very good. Very good. Okay, we can design, we can edit. Okay, and it takes very less time. Very good. Okay. So, what is social media? Okay, do you use social media, Kumam?
Yes.
And for with new techniques. So coming back to our lecture, social media is a phenomena that has transformed the interaction and communication of individual throughout the world. So there was a time when I couldn't imagine that I can talk to you with this much ease, and when we are living apart, it was like impossible to think about it. Okay, the most I remember, for like it's like 7 to 8 years, or I guess 10 years ago, I remember I had to send an email to Canada, and I was in Pakistan, and it took almost 8 hours to upload three photographs, three pictures. After eight all
Nowadays, just you can send it in seconds.
in seconds on WhatsApp, you can send milliseconds. you know so it was like 10 years ago. This was the internet condition, and it was like impossible to think about it. If I go through my previous emails, if I had to ask for a number from my relative who lives in another country, I used to send them emails for a number. And it was like when they will go to they had their desktop system, I had my desktop system at my home, and it was like when they will open their system, they will go check their email, okay, then they will provide me with number. Now it's just a second click away. So in recent
Nowadays,
times,
it's just on the go.
yes, the social media has impacted many aspects of human communication, thereby impacting business. Social networking has become daily practice in some users' life. Okay, social media is a very common practice nowadays. In the decade of information system, social media has played a vital role in transforming business and communications. We believe that fastest way to grow a business entity is through social media and networking. Facebook and social media are actually business platforms. People do business here. You can make your page, you can sell something, you can buy something. Okay, in 2000, many social network sites emerged to ease interaction with people that share common interest in music, education, movies, and so on. They also affected how business conducted their transactions and advertisement. and also their products. Okay, you may have seen, if you are watching any video on Facebook and suddenly advertisement appears on screen.
Yes, there are before there used to be one, now they will have two of them,
Yeah, now they
two
have
advertisements.
exactly. So this is the business strategy. We if whenever if we do not want to see, we have to see. If we have to complete the video, we have to go through that advertisement. So the advertisements are about business who are paying Facebook. Okay. Actually, to run on any ad on Facebook, I have to pay Facebook some money. Do you know that?
Yes, there are paid promotions.
Yeah, okay, they are paid promotions, definitely. I have to boost a post. Okay, my internet is unstable. It is difficult. Why? What is social media networking? Okay, it is difficult to study social media without encountering the phrase social networking. Therefore, social media is referred as forms of electronic communication, as websites for social networking and blogging, through which user create online communities to share the information. Okay, we do create online communities to share the information. For example, Facebook groups, your Instagram groups. What do we share? We share informations, ideas, personal images, and other content as videos. The same source defines networking as the exchange of information or service among individual groups or institutions. What is networking? Networking is actually the gathering, any gathering of people or systems where the information is shared. This information can be of any kind of data. So the social networking is actually the sharing of information using the social media. That is called social networking. The cultivation of productive relationship for employment or the business. This is what we are using social media. Okay, the evolution of social networks, how the social networks came into being and how they modified with time and came into the present form. Social networks have evolved over the year to the modern day variety which uses digital media. However, the social media is not that new. In addition, it didn't start with the computer, but instead the telephone. So, what was the first social media
There were landline
device?
telephones.
Yes, that was telephone.
I
During the
remember
1950s,
we had in our house.
oh yes, phone phreaking, the term used for the rogue image of the telephone network, began. This process was accomplished through the use of homemade electronic devices that facilitated unauthorized access to the telephone system to make free calls. Okay, today I was attending a meeting and a person told me that 18 years ago, his salary was 5,500 rupees monthly salary. And to buy a phone, and to buy a Nokia phone. You remember Nokia?
Yeah, those were
Nokia was a
durable
company.
phones.
Yeah, that had button phone. And it was of 5,000
I
rupees.
still have few of them in my home.
Yeah, yeah, okay, yes, we still have those. So that was five, and the SIM card was like more expensive than a phone. If a phone was of 500 rupees, the SIM card of 7,000 rupees. The SIM card was expensive than the phone. And nowadays we can make free calls on WhatsApp. And if we do call on network, the caller have to pay. The receiver do not have to pay. But this was not like this when the phone was invented. The caller and the receiver both had to pay for that call, and the payment was very high. Okay, so coming back, the breadboarder stated freaks were able to hack into corporate unused voicemail box to hold the first blocks and postcodes. Okay, there was a problem with that communication, with that open communication with the early telephone system, that the communication could be hacked because it was used by using wires, and the wires were not very secure. Mean, if anyone can access those wires, he or she can connect with those wires. And if once the connection is established, the third person can hear the conversation. So it was not very secure mean of communication. Okay, how internet was in when internet was invented. During the 1960s, the public saw the advent of email. However, the internet was not available to the public until 1991. Email was originally a method of exchange message from one computer to another, but both computers were required to be online. In 1969, ARPANET, what was the first ARPANET created by Advanced Research Project Agency, which is called APRA, was developed. APRANET was an early network of time-sharing computer. Okay, that was the computer which was capable to share. That formed the basis of internet. Okay,
Yes.
so you must keep it in mind. Okay, going forward, development of the 1960s were also created in 1969 with a mission to provide time sharing services by renting time on its computers with very high fees. This service was too expensive for many. Before this, for example, 5 to 6 years ago, it was very difficult for a person to connect on internet, to send emails, and it was very expensive as well. And nowadays it's not very expensive, it's actually very cost friendly. Okay, let's go going forward with the internet technologies and computer technologies. Social media was further developed during the 1970s. Okay, this is just we are reading the evolution. Okay, there is no need to memorize it very hard. We are just going through it, so you can see how how the technologies evolved with time. Okay, in
Yes.
1917, MUD was invented, originally known as multi-user dungeons, multi-user dimension, or multi-user domains. It was a real-time virtual world with role-playing game, interactive fiction, and online chat. Okay, Kumam, I want you better to read it by yourself. This slide, please read it by yourself and let me know you didn't get what.
Yes, we have read it.
Okay, good. Okay, any problem till now?
No.
Okay, very good. Okay, coming back to social networking. In 2000, social media received a great boost with the witnessing of many social networking sites springing up. The highly boosted and transformed the interaction of individual and organization who share common interest in music, education, movies, and friendship based on social networking. Okay, so 2000 was a boost era of internet. Okay, of socializing. In 2004, popular names like Facebook, Harvard, Dogster, and Mixi evolved during 2005. Big names like Yahoo 360, YouTube, Skyward, and Black Planet all emerged. Okay, so Facebook was launched in February 2004. Okay, did you observe, Bete, that with within 5 years, one after one, many social media tools or social networking websites came into being. Okay, so this is what, once the market get boosted, once the market is high, the same product launched every year. Okay, these are the competitors. The key factor for social media business, for the social success of social media, is conversation. When a social media site is used for a business, it enlarges the conversation through buzzes that would call out the brand name. Okay. So whenever sometimes you see a good jacket or good shoes on any Instagram page, does this happen to you that you want to buy those?
It happens sometimes.
Yeah, it happens sometimes. So what you do if you like something and you really want to buy that on Instagram? What do you do?
I online order it
Okay, how do you order
and
it?
get it.
How do you order it?
It's either based on their website or by texting them,
Okay, very good.
texting them the
Yes, you
details,
text
or
me
it's
whenever
on
you.
their website.
Very good. Whenever you drop a text, okay, whenever you drop a text, it is called the query. Okay, the query landed. So when the query landed, so by the social media means, the query is converted into sale. That is why social media is used for businesses. They you don't know who is who is selling them, and they don't know who Gumam is and who is buying them. Your just social media name appear on the screen, and a business dealing is done before you do. So okay, a company must be truly dedicated toward conversation through social media as much as the customer are. Okay, so what should good companies do? They must be open for conversation. The companies must take time to review the conversation and must dedicate time and effort to respond to customer response. Social media is a cost effective method for marketing activities. Okay, so for example, you liked some shoes on Instagram page and you texted them and they didn't reply back. What will you do? Will you order again?
Wait for the reply.
Okay, you will wait for the reply, and suppose 10 days passed and they didn't answer, but they are posting on their
Then definitely again.
Instagram. Will you respond? Will you buy from them?
Hello.
Yes, Gumam, will you buy? Beta, what if 10 days has passed and they did not reply, but they
I'll
are
try to
post.
order again. If they
Okay,
don't
you try
reply,
to
then I
order
won't buy
again.
it.
Very good, very good. You are very patient, mashallah. But what if they do not reply again?
Then there's no other choice.
Okay, then there is no other
Won't buy
choice.
it.
Yes, because they did not respond. Okay, they didn't make any conversation with you. So what is important? Important is conversation. For example, you liked a pair of shoes and you messaged a page and they responded you so well, so well. You will definitely try to shop there again. So that is the rule of social media business. That conversation is the key. You have to talk. You have to talk to your customer. You have to talk to your seller about anything, and this breaches the gap. It was used by business initially to market products and service at a minimal cost during the time when companies do not have sufficient money. Okay, so I owns a business. Okay, I owns a business, and I do not have enough money to socialize it, to make a good marketing, to create good marketing. I do not have so much money to display my brand on billboards and on TV. So what will I do? I will take care of social media, or I'll take it on social media. Okay, because social media is a tool which
Yes.
is not very expensive. It is very less costly. You see, it's Goman, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear.
So it is very less costly. You do not have to hire brand managers and you do not have to pay heavy amount of money for the marketing purpose. You just take a picture of it, put it on social media and share it. And people will see, oh wow, Goman is selling brand new shoes. This is the marketing. Facebook is not taking any money from us, okay? For marketing. Till now.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to boost your post, then it may take few money. Okay, social media business. They had to become careful about where, when, from whom they would buy the products and services, and the recession resulted in the lack of trust is business. Okay, what are these are the side effects. Okay, okay. These are the side effects of social media for user, because the user have to see from where he is buying, when he is buying, from whom he is buying. Okay, and there are chances of lack of trust because a seller may can send you a wrong thing. Have you ever got anything which you didn't order on social media or on any social media business?
Yes, I have ordered from a website. There were
Okay.
lights and it was the wrong order.
Okay, yes, they see, so these are the trust issues arises in such a way. So this is where the lack of trust arises. This is where the social media plays its role. It was the most inexpensive method of marketing and advertising, but also offered its brand that was reliable to the customer. Social media allowed two-way communication between brands and customer and enabled customer to react to the concern of the customer. As a result, if there is no response from the business about the concern, the customer will consider the company as not reliable. Moreover, the company would lose the brand loyalty and credibility. Social media is not only a place to market the products and services of a company, but also a place to interact with the customer to try and solve their problems. Okay, if a company is not doing good, if the company is not doing right, if the company is selling you the wrong things, you have the option. What is the option? You can report it. Okay, you can report it to Facebook that they are selling wrong brands or they are faking it. The Facebook book will immediately take actions. These are very important steps as Facebook take care of the credibility of any business it's endorsing. Facebook do endorse businesses. It allows you to make a Facebook page. It allows you to sell your business. It doesn't take any money from you by selling those business unless or until you boost that post. So what is the benefit you are getting? It tries to ensure your safety, it tries to ensure your privacy, and it ensures that you do not come under any scam. We do, although we do get, but somehow social media tries that a person should not be get failed. Okay, what is leadership and technology? We will learn about how technology has helped in leadership. Technology has not only facilitated freedom to employees of working with ease, but also empowered leaders to manage from a distance. One is remote working, give flexibility to employers of the employee. Employers can work remotely. If you do not, if for example, COVID has proved it, right? If you do not go to
Yes.
school, if you do not go to college, no problem. You can do work on your system and can share it with your leader. Okay, we can do Zoom meetings. There is no need to come and sit face to face. This is a role of technology in leadership. Second is ability to manage anywhere in real time. Okay, I want to take a class. I can arrange it anytime. Okay,
Yes.
I just will send you a Zoom link and you can join it as well. Third is automating management. Okay, you do not have to hire expensive HR. You can just order an artificial intelligence system and they can do the task for you. HR and training work is taken to a new level. Okay, it has also helped in HR work. Before that, HR have to go through piles of file and much calculations and data analysis. Now the technology has just replaced all the efforts of human being. Fourth one is diversity and expand on new markets. Yes, diversity. Before social media, if I have a clothing brand, I can only business in my country. If I don't have enough money, I cannot, sell and advertise my brand outside the country. But with technology, if I have a brand, I own the brand, I can send it, I can sell my items across the border of the countries, okay, anywhere in the world. If you take a picture of your new shoes and you can send it to any part of the world. Is that so?
Yes. That.
So this is the technology role of technology in leadership. There are many other roles. Can you please help me and let me know few of them? Okay, let me know how that technology helped you during COVID, during the phase of COVID.
COVID main here in my country, everything was online. Like if you need
Okay, the
medications, you need food, or you need anything else, you have to order it online.
uh-huh.
We had curfews over here. No one can go out.
Uh-huh. So
So
how
so
did you
that's
manage?
how so that's how technology helped us.
Uh-huh.
So we had to order everything online,
Uh-huh. Very good.
where technology played the main role.
Yes, technology play the main role. Very good. You ordered
Then worked
things
from home.
online.
People who used to go to offices handled
Mm-hmm.
it over there. They used to work home through emails or Zoom meetings.
Yes, very good. Very good.
And I used to handle my warehouse system from computer as
Mm-hmm.
well.
Mm-hmm.
We used to see the daily process and receiving and online orders and dispatches from home.
Mm-hmm. All the system went online.
Yes, everything was online.
Yes, yes. So this is something it helps. the technology helped in leadership. Okay, so there are numerous more examples we can quote here. This is the overview of your today's class. We have read about leadership, we have read about different emerging technologies, evolution of technologies, you know, invention of social media, what is social networking. We have read about all those things. Okay, Gomam, beta, did you get what I was teaching you?
Yes, miss.
Okay, do you have any question regarding
No.
this? Okay, I just want, okay, okay. So that's for today. See you in next class, inshallah. If you have any question, you can stay and ask, or otherwise, better you can leave the class if you want to. That's it for today.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.